Hi, my name's Holly, I'm a computer science tutor and I run Teach All About It. Today we're going to be looking at a past paper question for data compression from the iGCSE CIE computer science specification. By looking at a real student answer, by the end of this video you're going to be able to understand exactly what the examiner is looking for and how you can get full marks. So let's get started. So in today's question, we're actually looking at compression types, even though the context shows there's a USB flash memory drive, so it looks like it might be hardware. And just like our other questions, what I'd like you to do is to pause the video and see if you can try this question first before we then look into the student answer, and I'll show you my own. So the student question we have here actually got 3 marks, but they were very much on the border, and I'll explain to you why. So they were absolutely correct to say that lossless compression is the correct one, and the reason why is because we are actually trying to state the most suitable in this particular case. And you can see here that they've got a mark for lossless compression. They've then talked about it not being able to go back to its original size, and also retaining the quality of the image. Now, retaining the quality of the image is the most important thing about lossless compression, because lossless compression doesn't actually remove any of the data. So this one here, being able to turn it back to the original, this would maybe be benefit of the doubt, or the fact that they are absolutely correct. Lossless compression doesn't allow you to delete data, but what they're actually looking for is the form of lossy compression deletes data permanently, and it's the word permanently that we're really looking for here. Okay, so what is the best way of getting full marks? So let's start off with the compression type. We know that this is going to be lossless. And the reason we know it's lossless, and I can highlight this because it does not affect the quality of the photographs. So at this point, we're talking about the not affecting the quality, and we need to explain why lossless doesn't affect the quality. So essentially what you're doing is you are taking the context and you're explaining why. So lossless here, lossless doesn't permanently delete. And then we could then extend that into so that the original can be restored. Now the other thing we can say in there, it doesn't permanently delete data, whereas lossy will delete data and reduce quality. Now what I could do on here is actually to put 2 separate bullet points. I've got 1 bullet point there, I've got 1 bullet point there, and then the compression type is my 3rd mark. So what I'm trying to do all the way through to get those full marks is to make sure that I've made enough points, use the space effectively. So would you like your question featured in one of these videos? Please do hit the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell. And you can submit your GCSE, iGCSE or A-level computer science questions at www.teachallaboutit.school.